Josiah, eat some sweet potatoes. He's good.
He is slurping it up.
He likes it.
He does like it. That is so funny.
Give me some more.
Now it's really going to be time for a bath after this. That is hilarious. Oh, what about your nose? Oh, you are so cute. Yeah. Yeah. You eating boy. Yeah. You eating boy. You want more, yeah? You're so cute.
You like it?
I think he does. This is going over way better than it did with Kayla's first time.
But he might like it today and then hate it tomorrow.
Does that happen?
Yeah. Well, maybe not. He's just such a big boy.
Are you ready to feed yourself? Are you ready to feed yourself? Your doodle's gonna be gross tomorrow. Yeah? You're funny.
Josiah. Hi, baby. Some more. Some more. Say hi, Uncle Garrett.
Thanks, Uncle G.
Say hi, Uncle Garrett. Hi, Uncle Garrett.
My dog's in there.
Thanks.
Are sweet potatoes good?